Welcome to another CalRTA short tutorial. I'm Sue Breyer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add photos to the photo carousel and the photo tab on your Division website. Let's get going. So here I am on my Division website, and as you can see here, as a Division web manager, I have customized my photo carousel with pictures of my Division members and some of the many activities my Division has participated in. Now, if you are a Division web manager and you've been given permission to update and maintain your Division website, you can easily customize this photo rotation, but you can't do it on your own. Help is just an email away. If you need help with any technology questions, and that might include uploading photos to your Division's photo carousel, maybe you're having trouble updating or maintaining your Division's website overall, or you have some other technological problems that you're having to deal with, send an email to questionsforcalrta@gmail.com. Make sure that you include your first and last name, your Division number, and a brief description of your issue, and a CTC specialist will respond, usually within 24 hours. Now, when you are submitting photos to be included or added to that photo carousel on your Division website, make sure that the photos that you submit are in this horizontal format or a landscape format, not the portrait or vertical format as you see here. If you submit a photo or photos in this vertical format, the website automatically turns them sideways. So once again, make sure you're submitting photos in this horizontal format with approximately a 4-inch by 3-inch size. Now back here on my Division website, I want to point out another place where you can add photos to your Division website, and that's on the Photos tab, which is up on the blue menu bar at the top of the page. But before I show you how to do this, I want to point out the Resources tab up here, where you can find very, very helpful resources that will help you to update a number of these other areas on the Division website. You simply click on Resources, and on the next page you're going to click the blue button, Support and Training, and that will take you to this Support and Training page, which includes a number of videos that could be very, very helpful to you in maintaining your Division website. And over on the left, you'll see a menu of items that you can actually customize, including, as you see down here, photos. If you access the detailed or the concise handouts, they will provide step-by-step instructions on how to upload photos. You also have a video option over here that you can watch while looking at your handouts in order to upload those photos without any problems. So let's say that I want to add photos of my Division's 2021 scholarship recipients to the Photos tab on that blue bar at the top of my Division website. Well, it's important to note that you can't upload a photo by itself, whether in a JPEG or a PNG format. Photos must first be added to a document, which is then saved as a PDF. The PDF can then be added to the Photos tab on the Division website. So let me quickly show you how to create this document, adding photos onto it, and then uploading it to your Division website. Now, as you can see here, I have a Word document open on my desktop and ready to go. I've already supplied a title to this document, 2021 CalRTA Scholarship Winners, and now I need to add photos. So all I need to do is to go up to the Insert button at the top of my toolbar, click on Insert, then I'm going to go down to Pictures, and slide down to this device because I'm going to upload photos from my computer. When I open it up, over here on my sidebar, I need to move this to locate the pictures that I want to use. And so I keep my photos in OneDrive down here where it says Pictures. As you can see, I have a number of folders with photos, but I'm going to slide down to the bottom, and as you can see, I have my photos all ready to upload. But first I think I'll add a CalRTA logo or photo here by clicking on it and then going down to Insert. Now the photo of CalRTA's logo has been inserted, but obviously it's way too big. I can resize this by grabbing the corners with this double arrow anywhere you see those dots, and I can drag it to increase the size or decrease the size. But now I don't necessarily want it in this particular position. If I want to be able to drag it anywhere I want, I'm going to go to this menu right here, which is Layout Options. Click on that. And if I go down here in front of text and click on that and click out of the menu, now if I hold my cursor down, I can drag this anywhere I want. But what if I want it up here in the corner? Obviously, it's covering up the title. Well, I can change that again by going to Layout Options, but this time I'm going to go down here to the one that says Tight. If I click on that and click out, notice how the title bumps over to the left. If I change this and want to put it on the left side, it automatically displaces this title and moves it for me. So now let's add photos of some of our scholarship winners. Go up to Insert, Pictures, this device. I'm going to scroll down as I did before, and let's add my first scholarship recipient. And Insert. Now this photo is awfully big, and notice I can't move it, so let's make it smaller. Now let's click up here, and I'm going to use Tight. I can move this now over here, click out of that, and let's add another one. Insert, Pictures, this device, scroll down, let's add my second one, and Insert. Once again, I'll need to resize by grabbing the corner. Still too big. And notice I can't move it. Click here, go down to Tight. Now I can move her picture. Let's put it right there. And I can size that so it's the same as the other one. Now, once I add all of my pictures, I can actually add text as well. So I can add Daniel's name. I can move that up there. Notice that it moves the text. I can add Elizabeth's name. I can bump this down. And now I'm ready to save this as a PDF and upload it to my website. All I need to do now is to go up here to File, up here at the top, and when I click on that, on this left menu, I'm going to Save As. I'm going to save this document to my computer, And up here, it says Word document, because that's the document that I was using. I'm going to now go down and save it as a PDF. I'm going to put the file name here, 2021 Scholarship Winners. And when I click up here on Documents, that allows me to choose where I want to save my document. I'm going to save it to my desktop so I can find it easily. I click Desktop, make sure I'm saving it up here to the desktop, and click down here, the Save button. Now I can click out of this document right here. Make sure you save. And right over here is my PDF of my scholarship winners. Now I can upload this to my Division website. As a Division Web Manager, you've been given a login and password to access the Division dashboard. The dashboard is the site that allows you to make changes to your Division website. So I've gone to the web address for my dashboard for Division 33, and my login information is here, and I'm going to just click Login. Once I log in, I'm taken to my dashboard home page. To add my PDF, I go over to the left and I look at Media, and in that pop-out menu, I'm going to Add New. Now I need to select my file. So I'm going to click on Select Files. That will open up my menu here, and I need to find my file. Remember that I saved it to my desktop, so I want to make sure I'm looking at my desktop, and I am, as you can see here. And here is my file, my scholarship winners. I click on that, and then I go down here and click Open. The file will appear down below the dotted box above. Now I'm going to go back up to Media, and just below that, I'm going to click on the library to make sure that it's been added to the library. Here are all of the PDFs that I have uploaded in the past. The most recent one right here will be in the upper left-hand corner. So I'm going to click on this to make sure I can add it to Photos. Now over here on the right, I need to make sure that it has a title, and then I need to make sure that I'm placing it in the proper category. The default is uncategorized, so you want to uncheck that, and let's add it to Photos. Once I've done that, it's automatically saved. I'm going to go up to the X and click out of this. Now to see that it has been uploaded to Photos, I go up here to the name of my division, and in this little drop down, I click Visit Site. Let's go over to Photos, click on that, and there it is. Now I can open it and make sure that the document is the one I created. And there I have my document uploaded to Photos. So that's all there is to adding photos to the photo carousel and the Photos tab on your Division website. Thank you again for joining me for this short tutorial, and I hope to see you again.